Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing great. So in the previous video I showed you guys how to access Samsung DeX feature on any Samsung phone running One UI 8, but unfortunately with the new Samsung One UI 8.5 update, Samsung actually patched this. uh, Actually still it's just patched from your phone setting, but you can still access that, and I'm going to show you that in this video. But let me first show you. If I still search for keyboard like the previous trick I used to do, as you can see there's no option for Samsung DeX here. Like Samsung definitely removed it from Samsung settings, but they didn't completely remove it from the whole system, and you can just still access it. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so to access that you need a small application. It's not an application like DeX or anything. It's just an application that allowed us to access those system components. It's really small. It's like very few megabytes. So its name is Activity Launcher. It's really simple and really small. As you can see, it's just 23 MB and it's also highly rated as well. So it's not a big deal, and you're officially downloading from Google Play Store. So you have that trust level here as well. So we're just gonna wait for it to download and install. So as you saw, we downloaded and installed. Now we're just going to click on open to open that application, and then there's a disclaimer that this app gives access to feature not normally visible to users. Obviously this is what we want, so we're going to click on OK, and then it's all access and load our whole system components. And now you can just simply search for DeX. Don't try to write Samsung DeX, it will mess up with things. Just type Samsung DeX, then scroll down into settings and then click on that, and there you go, Samsung DeX, just Samsung DeX on top. So you have to click on that, and then you have to click on launch activity, and from here you can connect with, as you can see, Samsung DeX running on the same phone with One UI 8, and it's still going to work completely. And we are also getting new features that Samsung added with One UI 8.5, which was command plus arrows to move keys, move windows. That new update is also there, as you can see, with Samsung DeX. I'm going to show that connected as well, but also what you can do is click on create shortcut here, and then it will allow you to add that shortcut on your home screen after a click. Okay, so my home screen layout is actually locked, so let me unlock that as well. Go in settings and then unlock my home page, and now we're gonna create shortcut, click on add, and there we go, we are getting Samsung DeX here. As you can see, now we don't need to open up the application all the time. You can just click on this and then we'll be directed to the Samsung DeX page directly. Let me show that all again. As you can see, unfortunately right now I don't have my wireless display, so I'm going to use my laptop that is configured to act as a wireless display. So as you can see, it's my Windows 11 machine here. You can also use Windows 10 if you want. You just need a software that is official Microsoft. It's not a wireless display. You can just type it there, a wireless display. As you can see here, we're just gonna open that app as well, and then you're just gonna full screen that. If you don't see that application in your search bar, you can just go into your laptop settings in your Windows, and then you can go into system, and then you can go for I would say system components. No, sorry, not system components. You just have to go into optional features, and then you can view features, and then you can search for those. See, click on first see available features, and then you can just simply search for wireless display, but I already downloaded it, so it's not going to show it over here again. And after adding that feature, you will have Samsung or wireless display on your laptop. So just going to full screen this, and now our laptop is just configured to work as wireless display. And if we on our phone, if we just click on connect wirelessly, here's the option, as you can see. So we're just going to click on that option, and then it's searching for wireless displays. Alright, so I already connected it previously, so it's asking me to start Samsung DeX on that PC. As you can see, this is uploaded on PC. That name is also showing, but I'm going to show it all again. Just click that PC or that wireless display that you want to project your Samsung DeX to, and as you can see, start Samsung DeX on my laptop. Actually, this is the display name. As you can see, uploads on PC, and this is uploads on PC. So I'm going to click on start now. And as you can see, we got Samsung DeX directly on our laptop screen. This is actually full blown Samsung DeX. As I can see, I can put my phone down as well, and I can use Samsung DeX as well. And actually, to control your Samsung DeX, most people in my previous video also told me that their mouse and keyboard aren't working with the Samsung DeX. Let me tell you the reason behind this. Why isn't it working? Because this laptop currently is not a laptop, it's just acting as a wireless display. So all this keyboard and mouse are not working anymore. For those, if you do want to connect a mouse and keyboard, if you connect that to your phone, you can also use a wireless mouse and keyboard if you want. You can also use wired if you want, but that connection is only wireless possible. Samsung unfortunately have completely removed the wired connection feature, obviously, but the wireless is still there. And for those who are wondering if this is the same phone, so I'm going to show you that as well. First of all, I'm going to go to my phone, and then in my settings I'm going to show you about my about phone. As you can see here, this is Samsung's A16. This is the model name, model number, and serial number, as you can see. And now I'm going to open the same thing on my wireless display here as well. So I'm just going to go to setting, because this is unfortunately a laptop with a touch screen. I can also control the Samsung DeX with my finger and touch screen, because it's a complete touch screen. And as you can see, this is the same phone, same A16 with the same model number and all those information. You can read it by yourself if you want here to confirm. And to even confirm it once again, I'm going to open up my camera through that Samsung DeX, so that it will access the camera from my phone. And actually screen is completely off, but still you can get the feed from my front camera. And if I completely turn it back, I can also get the rear camera feed on my laptop. This is completely live, as you can see. There's no other phone. Obviously it's connected wirelessly, so we can get some latency here, but obviously you can see everything is working properly, and I can access all my phone's softwares on my laptop. As you can see, phone is completely black, locked out. We can just leave it somewhere, and then we can completely use our phone, control our phone from Samsung DeX on our screen. If you have a good quality, high quality screen or big screen, you can also get a lot of work done from that. And I can obviously open up YouTube, just show you guys if everything is working or not. As you can see, everything is working here. And let me open up some other apps. Let me open up Samsung native apps like My Files. As you can see, there's a complete new design for Samsung My Files. We are getting notifications here as well. We have our control center here as well. All those features are working. I can access all of my apps from here. Obviously there's a latency because this is connected wirelessly. I can open up anything I want, like let's say I want to open up Play Store. Where's Play Store? It's gonna be somewhere. Okay, here it is, Play Store. I can open up Play Store if I want, and I can play all my games on a big screen as well. Disconnect this Samsung DeX from your laptop or your wireless display. You can obviously disconnect it from your Samsung DeX by clicking on those battery icon to open up quick settings, and then you can disconnect. Just click on disconnect here to disconnect. On my phone, you can obviously open up Samsung DeX option by clicking that icon, and then you have your connected displays. You can do all certain settings here. I can completely change the resolution, rotation of my screen if I want to. All those features and all settings are also actually working. I don't know why, but display resolution is locked to 1080p, but actually it's the highest my laptop display according to my laptop display. And then we have obviously our on-screen keyboard and mouse and trackpad features here as well, but obviously they're not going to work because we don't have a mouse or keyboard connected to our phone right now. So now to disconnect, we just click on disconnect display here at the bottom. Just clicking that, and then obviously it just closes everything, and then you can close your phones and everything. As you know, we are not using Samsung, we're not using any of that application here. It's actually really incredible that you can still use Samsung DeX on your phone, cheapest of Samsung phones, and access Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX is actually really premium feature, if you know, because they don't provide it any phones lower than their FE series. So this is just a $200 budget Samsung phone, and it's still able to access that Samsung DeX on their phone. Obviously it's not completely full blown because it's still a hack. There's not official, Samsung not officially giving it to you, but it's Samsung DeX is actually official because it's already installed and everything, but it was just hidden. We just use the application to unhide or to access that system component that Samsung tried to hide from us. And I hope this video is beneficial for you, and I hope you can use Samsung DeX on your phone as well. So if you really, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any problem queries, you can comment below and I will try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. So thanks for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Goodbye for now.